Hey, it's Kristina, Maker Exchange, bringing you episode 14 of video editing. Given the year that we have had in 2020, I think today is a great time to create a customized quick Christmas video card using Adobe Rush. You can make this video card as customized as you want, from a COVID Christmas card to a funny card to really focusing on the friends and family. So rather than doing a standard card, you can create a virtual card that you can send to everybody and even add on to social media and creating a different kind of memory than a standard card. You can use other platforms such as Canva Pro. Here is 4 examples of one-click templates. Now, if you don't have a membership such as Canva Pro, you can create your own videos, your own images, and use Adobe Rush, or we can even use copyright-free material. It's up to you. You can even do a mixture. So if you decide that you want to use copyright-free material, instead of creating your own material for your Christmas video card, you can go to pixels.com or even Pixabay, and there's a few other locations you can check out. So I went to Pixels as well as Pixabay, and I went through the different footage that they have. I used just the word Christmas so I can see the most, and I was looking for a video, mostly because I wanted to do this quick, and doing a copyright-free video would make it a lot faster. So there's 158,000 videos on here that have the word Christmas as a tag. And going through these, let me see what kind of energy or vibe that I want to do, because you can do funny, you can do elegant, you can do kid-oriented. And so I actually decided to go with the Dancing Santa and do more of a funny take on the video. Additionally, I wanted to use music in the video. It's a little bit harder. You do want to be careful that you're not using copyrighted songs. If you do use copyrighted songs, you want to make sure that they are not publicized so that you're not doing any copyright infringement. So I actually went to freesounds.org as well as a few other locations. I actually found a song on YouTube that I could use, and I downloaded that after making sure that any of the credits required were noted. From there, I opened up Adobe Rush and I added in the song that I had chosen, as well as I went over to the new graphics, which is, if you have Adobe Rush, you want to make sure that you have updated so that you have access to their graphics, and looked within the titles there. I selected a title that I found to be suiting, changed the text so that it would be what I wanted it to say. There was below text and I just deleted that. And once that was on there for long enough that somebody could read it, I added in some of my own text using titles. I chose to add in the dissolve from the effects tab, so that way it could phase in and phase out with the other phrases that I have added. And towards the end, I just did a dissolve on both the song as well as the images so it would close out and look really nice. So you can do a video much faster than you can actually going out to the store and picking up the cards. So this is a fun way that you can customize a video, customize a card, and you can use this on social media. You can use this through email, and you can even just sling it onto the TV if you have a smart TV. So if there's any projects that you would like us to work on, be sure to let us know. And if you liked this video or any of the other videos we have, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.